Hello YouTube. So going to install now my tpms. Okay, very simple. Okay, all you have to do really is to put this on the right track like this. This is rear left, no, rear left. See, rear left. Remove your button like that. And then oh wait, put this first. This is the lock. It will serve the lock, so it will not go out easily. Okay, and then you put it like that. Okay, squeeze it, turn it, not so tight, not so much touch, but tight enough so it won't go. Okay, and then there is the wrench like that. Okay, not so tough, not so tight, also just right. Don't tighten it too much, it will break. Not too much. Not too much. Okay, just right. And then you have to do is on all your 4 wheels. Okay, see, hard to turn like that. It's hard to turn. You have to unlock first. You have to screw first the back before you can turn this. Get it? Okay, I got the everything. This is the last one. Okay, that's all there is. And now we will test. See? Can you see? There. So that's it, guys. I'll try to change this to PSI if I can. I don't know if I can change it. I'll try. Okay, got it. I read the manual. I changed it to PSI like that. Then the temperature to Celsius. That's what I like. So all you have to do really is to press the menu button 3 seconds. See? And then you come here and then you push again. PSI bar. PSI. Okay? Okay, like that. Okay, just long press if you don't want to change any setting anymore. There's plenty of settings like alarm setting, and okay, you got it. If you want more tech update, everything, general science, click the subscribe button. stay up to date. Okay, good luck. If you can see, this is available online, very cheap. Just the same books. I think it's all the same. They're all the same. Just find the cheapest one. Okay, got it. Bye. Click the subscribe.